Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Blanca. Today's video is gonna be about how to use the high frequency device. It's gonna be a quick video. With me, that's how it look like. This one is 10 amps, which has two prongs. There's some that comes as a 20 amps and they have three prongs. Not necessary, they are stronger. That's why they have to have three prongs, but you don't really need those. So first of all, we're gonna use the direct method. Direct method is touching directly electrode to your face. First use the mushroom attachment. And I'm gonna use the serum in the area first where I'm gonna use it. So let's start it with the forehead. You don't want to use any serum with acids in it, like vitamin A, AHA, glycolic acid or anything like that. I'm using a copper peptides with hyaluronic acid, which is the JJ Labs company. Turn it on. You can turn it on, switch it for stronger or a lighter strength. I'm going to show you how it looks like with the light off. See? It's kind of cool. Now, this is too strong for me. I do like light. So what you do, first you touch the electrode with your finger to don't zip your face. And then when you touch your face, move your finger. On the forehead you can move it with the like vertical motions against the gravity. This electrode is good for the whole face. It's for like a bigger area because it's flat. You can move it in the circles. One area, 3 to 5 minutes. The whole face, the whole treatment shouldn't be longer than 20 minutes. Don't hold it in one spot for like more than 10 seconds. Alright, so that's how you do with the mushroom. Now you have to touch it again, the electrode, remove it from your face, and then remove your finger, turn it off, switch the electrode probe for a different one. Now I'm gonna use this one. This one is for the smaller areas, like for example around the nose, around the eyes. I'm gonna use the serum again. This is just to give some of the slip, and is good for the product absorption too. Turn it on, touch the electrode, touch your face, move your finger, and you can do it around your eye, which is good for the lymphatic drainage. And massage. As you see, the face gets a little red, that's because the blood circulation gets better. Alright, that's how you use it, the smaller one. Now I'm gonna switch it and use the other one. This one is for the best for the acne, which you use it directly on the spot. Turn it on. I'm sure you get turn with the light off. That's how it look like. So with this one, you want to use it somewhere where you have like something coming up. I have like a little pimple here. So you touch it, hold it for 2-3 seconds, move it, and again like 5 times in that spot to kill the bacteria. Just like that. Alright. That's this one. And the other method I wanted to show you is indirect method, when you're using a gauze over the face to create kind of little space in between the electrode and the skin. Let me stick this. And I use the headband just to help a little bit to hold it down. You can buy this one. It's coming in the pack of 100. I like this one because it just like covers your whole face. You can do it laying down. I'm just standing, so the headband is very good to kind of hold it down. And for this method, the indirect method, you don't need to use serum because it's a nice slip over the gauze. Again, touch it. And this way using in a circular motion. Just like that. That's basically for this one. Then the smaller electrode, not really the one for the zipping, because that has to be direct onto the skin. That's how I use it. The other method, kind of trick, if you don't have the gauze like that, you have a smaller, what you can do when you have a smaller one, put it on the electrode like that. If it's big enough, you can hold it. Just don't hold the electrode because it's gonna go to your hand and not here. So you can do it this way, or better method even is to get some kind of band, rubber band, put it around, especially when you have, you know, like something small. Then turn it on. And you can use it this way and that way. You can use it on your neck, on your body. There's an attachment for the hair comb, where you can use it for the hair, basically for the scalp, to improve the growth of the hair by the improving circulation to the hair follicle. Yeah, that's how you use it. I think this one is even better. You don't need to buy the gauze for the whole face. You can just have some smaller one and attach it this way. Alright, so let me know how you like the video, if it helped you anyway. There's many devices available on Amazon. It doesn't really matter what kind, because they all use the gas inside. The gas is all the same on all. So it doesn't really matter. I bought the cheaper one, which combines two gases together, the violet and the orange one. So I like this one. Yeah, seriously, I had the one that was separate for both. So much of my thing was had a violet gas. The other one for the acne had different. No, for the acne had the blue one, yeah, violet. For the other ones had the orange, and the orange is for the anti-aging, and the violet is for the acne. So I just wanted something combined together. So this is the one that combined together. I'm gonna post the link on my as you can see, I know it's upside down, but it combines both gases together, creating a blue one. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Subscribe if you didn't, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.